I've gotten this question from Matt, Jeremy, Samantha, Sarah. If I sell my house to you for cash, am I leaving money on the table? And that's a great question. So a lot of times whenever you're selling cash, it's usually because you want to move quickly or you don't want to deal with the hassle of going through a bank or waiting for your new buyer to go through a bank, as that typically is a drawn out process. It requires appraisals and all that sort of thing. There's a lot of hoops to jump through. Since we aren't using a realtor and since we are buying directly, we don't have to pay an additional person. The top number might be a little bit lower, but you're actually walking away with more money, right? Because we're not paying a 6% commission to an agent. And also, whenever we close, we're typically covering all the fees. So the number you get, the number we give you, is the number you can expect to walk away with. I know a lot of times people are afraid to accept a cash offer because they think they can get more if they list it on the MLS or go through the additional hassle of doing that. And that is true. If you want to get the top value of your property, you should list it on the MLS and you should try to create a bidding war, really. However, if your property is in disrepair, if you don't want to go through all of those hassles and you want to get a fair cash offer, finding somebody that buys cash is definitely a great option. I typically like to work with somebody that has cash. That way I know for sure that they're going to close. Because whenever somebody is using a loan or another debt instrument, such as a mortgage, they are contingent on the bank's approval. So if an inspector comes in there and they find a bad roof or even some chipped paint in some cases, they will make you repair that before they will issue the loan and allow the new buyer to buy it. So you can't get paid until this gets done. And the process is typically 60 to 90 days. When we're purchasing with cash, we can close in 30 days or less as soon as the title work is back. And because we're buying cash, we do not need any approval. We go through, we walk the property initially with you, and we can get you an offer right then and there. And then we might bring some contractors through to get a scope of work around. But for the most part, we are not hiring any professional inspectors, and we are not doing anything that a conventional or normal buyer would do. We are professionals. We know what we are looking at. We are local, and we're here to make it stress-free, convenient, and easy with a fair offer. So our goal is to make sure that you're not leaving any money on the table. It's to make sure that you're getting the best price possible while also having less headaches. So give us a call at ibuy570.com, House Buying Solutions PA, or even Eagle Capital. We go by a lot of names, but at the end of the day, we get things done, and we're here to help in Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Clark Summit, Mount Carmel, Shenandoah, Bloomsburg, Danville, just to name a few, all surrounding areas that I just named as well. We'd be happy to help, even if you just have some questions. Give me a call, and I look forward to helping you or buying your house cash.